Is your central vacuum sounding loud but picking up absolutely nothing? It is incredibly frustrating when your high-end system loses its suction. I'm Christina, your floor care consultant here at AceVacuums. Before you spend hundreds on a central vacuum service call, you need to watch this. Today, I'm revealing 5 simple DIY fixes to restore your suction and get your system back to 100% performance. Why does my central vacuum have no suction at one specific inlet? This usually indicates a localized clog in the PVC piping or a faulty gasket at that specific wall valve. If you need a replacement valve or a professional pipe scouring, AceVacuums provides specialized tools and central vacuum parts to restore the airtight seal. Why has my central vacuum lost suction across the entire house? If suction is weak at every inlet, the issue is likely at the main power unit. Check if the dirt canister is full or if the internal filters are clogged. At AceVacuums, we recommend checking the motor gasket for a proper seal. If the motor sounds high-pitched, it may be a sign of a failing motor fan, which our central vacuum service team can replace. How do I know if a clog is in my central vacuum hose or the wall pipes? Perform the inlet test. Plug the hose into an inlet and check the suction. Then, take the hose to a different inlet. If suction is only bad when using the hose, the clog is in the hose. If suction is bad at only one wall valve, the clog is in the PVC piping. AceVacuums carries replacement central vacuum hoses if your current one is obstructed or collapsed. Can I use a regular plumber's snake to clear a central vacuum clog? No. Never use a metal plumber's snake, as it can puncture the thin-walled PVC pipes or break the low-voltage wires inside the walls. AceVacuums suggests using a tornado maintenance cloth or a professional-grade flexible retrieval tool designed specifically for a central vacuum repair. Why won't my central vacuum turn off when I pull the hose out? This is a common electrical issue. It usually means the low-voltage relay on the circuit board has stuck in the on position, or 2 wires are touching at a wall inlet. If you're handy, you can find replacement central vacuum circuit boards at AceVacuums, or you can schedule a diagnostic visit with our technicians. How often should I replace the filters in my central vacuum power unit? For bagged systems, replace the bag when it is half full. For bagless systems with permanent filters, AceVacuums recommends a deep cleaning of the filter every 6 months and a full replacement every 3-5 years to prevent fine dust from entering and damaging the motor. Is it possible to install a central vacuum in a house that is already built? Yes! This is called retrofitting. About 40% of our central vacuum installations at AceVacuums are in existing homes. We use fish tapes and strategic routing through closets, attics, and crawl spaces to install inlets with virtually no mess or drywall repair needed. My central vacuum motor is making a loud grinding noise. Is it fixable? A grinding noise usually indicates that the motor bearings have failed. While some shops only offer a full unit replacement, AceVacuums provides central vacuum motor replacement services, which can save you $500 or more compared to buying a brand new system. Are central vacuum parts universal across different brands? Most parts, like wall inlets, 2-inch PVC piping, and 1.375-inch hoses, are universal. However, circuit boards and motors are often brand specific. Whether you have a Beam, Newtone, VacuFlow, or MD system, AceVacuums stocks both universal and OEM central vacuum parts to ensure a perfect fit. Does a central vacuum system really improve indoor air quality? IAQ? Absolutely. Unlike portable vacuums that can exhaust fine dust back into the room, a central vacuum carries 100% of the vacuum dirt to the power unit, typically located in a garage or basement. AceVacuums specializes in HEPA-certified units that are ideal for allergy and asthma sufferers. What should I do if my central vacuum won't start from any wall inlet? Check your breaker box first. If the breaker hasn't tripped, check the reset button on the vacuum unit itself. If the unit starts using the toggle switch on the canister but not from the walls, you have a low-voltage wiring break. The central vacuum repair experts at AceVacuums can trace this break using specialized signal generators. Why choose AceVacuums for my central vacuum service or installation? AceVacuums is a local, authorized dealer with decades of experience in both residential and commercial systems. We don't just sell you a machine, we provide a consultant level of service, ensuring your system is designed for maximum CFM, airflow, and longevity. From hospitals to local homes, AceVacuums are the region's trusted name in central vacuum maintenance.